Hey friends, happy Friday. It is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler. And you know, this is your Friday personal invitation from me to join me for our live show today here streaming from the farm. And today, friends, the show, we try to have a theme each week, right? And this week, we're kind of like helping those folks that maybe are thinking about putting their toe in the water, in the pond of growing cut flowers, whether we're talking home gardener or a market farmer or somebody that just is interested in growing cut flowers. Today, we'll just be kind of walking through that, just giving you some options to getting started in growing cut flowers. And as always, friends, I am giving away a $25 store credit to one lucky live viewer. And I also want to point out, friends, that today is the end of our stock. We sold out last week, but now that we've shipped them all, we've recounted, and we have a handful of tuberose clumps that will be, this is only on the app today. They'll be gone very quickly. So if you want to get in on that, join me inside the app. If you don't have our app or you don't even know what I'm talking about, right? So we have a phone app. It's a shopping show. And just think QVC type show, but it's me and my sis, Suzanne, demonstrating our tools and supplies and showing our harvest. We do have some cool flowers to show today. Super excited about that. And that's what this show was actually born on, is being able to show you guys the live harvest. It just gets better and better, right, as the season unfolds around here. And this time of the year, we're doing just tons of seed start. And look at that. That is our little tabletop grow light that's 24 inches long and about 18 inches deep, I think. I mean, it fits on a shelf. That's 400 seedlings, y'all, that can grow up right there until they go out to the garden. And we have a big special offer on the show today for our kit, our big kit on that. And I'm just talking through all of that stuff. So, join me at 12 noon Eastern time inside the app. So I'm sorry I got sidetracked. So it's our phone app, which allows you to watch us like you're watching me right now. But when I show something like a seed or a flower that you want, you can hit the button to either save it to your wish list, or you can purchase it, or you can put it in your cart. And friends, it just makes it so much easier. And it's a great experience. People are having conversations in the comments. You can watch on social media. However, you can't use the functions very well in there, and you can't enter the actual giveaway. So get the app. It's totally free, y'all. Download the app. Just go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. Download it and join me at 12 noon. And better yet, if you can't be there at lunchtime on Fridays, you can catch the replays when you have the app. You can go back in, and let me just tell you a little hack that is really great to do, especially if you go back to the shows that we did during the spring and summer and fall last year, is if you pull up one of the videos from previous, you can bring up the little shop all, hit that button at the bottom. It brings up all the products. It's a ribbon. You can scroll, get to the seeds, hit one of the seeds, and it jumps the video to where I'm showing those flowers. So that's a great way to see what the flowers truly look like and my commentary on them. If you know what the deal is. I offer different things all the time. So anyway, y'all, this little show that we do inside this app is kind of growing to be a really big part of our business, and we just love having you guys there with us. So I can't wait to show you my Snapdragon, Sweet William, Cerinthe, Bunny Tails, and a couple other flowers, and my beet greens that I harvested. So friends, remember, I'm giving away a $25 store credit to one lucky viewer. Get the app, get your lunch, join me at 12 noon Eastern time inside the app, and we'll have tons of fun, friends. All right, ciao.